In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create an Instagram account without phone number. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Now click on the option Create Account. You'll be prompted to use your email address or the phone number to create new account. Now you'll need to select email address, then type in your email address and click on Next. Now you will receive code in your email address that you have just entered. Type in that code and then click on Next. Now you'll be prompted to generate password for your account. Type in the password and click on Next. Now select date of birth. Select your year, day and the month. Now type in your full name and click on Next. Now generate username for your account. After you type in, click on Next. Now agree with the terms and conditions of Instagram. And with that, your account has been created. Now you can customize other settings. You can add profile picture, likewise follow people. So this is how you can easily create Instagram account without phone number. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.